Bullish band convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8.37 and $18.22 by 2030. Market examiners accept band could reach $8.37 by 2025. Bearish band convention market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.49. Band convention presentation. The presence of numerous conventions, both unified and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, idleness, and broad associations. Band convention effectively constructed this scaffold and dispensed with the requirement for agents while encouraging security and unwavering quality. Notwithstanding, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a winding, including band convention. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us a knowledge into the future cost expectations, the basics hidden it, and whether it's a wise speculation for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band convention? Band convention was made in 2017 to make a scaffold between the customary web and the blockchain by giving certifiable information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Souravis Srinivakun, an accomplished programming designer and expert, going about as the president, and Sorawit Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. This convention fills in as a stage for decentralized applications. To use their shrewd agreement, information focuses to acquire openness to outside arrangements. The white paper expressed. Band convention plans to tackle information openness and information dependability in a completely decentralized way. This incorporates how band gives information and point to such an extent that any shrewd agreements can undoubtedly consume certifiable information and information administration instrument to guarantee information trustworthiness. It presents an answer for blockchain profits, which is the unavailability to certifiable information on the chain. This is an impediment to the extension of the DeFi environment and the improvement of utilizations inside the blockchain overall in light of the fact that their purposes are inside a shut framework. Band convention kills the requirement for agents and the issues in regards to adaptability and information security during association by relying upon its local blockchain, which was at first sent off on the Ethereum blockchain yet as of now works with universe created between blockchain correspondence convention. The security framework inside the convention is empowered by a designated evidence of stake agreement system. Band is the local and administration badge of the convention, which gives the holders the right to navigation and information given the organization. This token was sent off in September 2019 on Binance through an underlying trade offering where chosen people partook. The worth of band tokens is deflationary, which is planned to urge the convention's clients to stake their tokens and get compensated for it. They're likewise utilized in loaning and other exchange administrations, with dApps getting to the information focuses by means of an information aggregator inside the decentralized organization. Band convention crucial examination. This undertaking has made numerous organizations since its beginning and a full send-off in 2019 with firms like CX, Alpha Adventures, Sequoia Capital, Binance, and numerous others. Here are key occasions that have pushed its development and improvement. Towards the center of 2020, the band convention was relaunched on the Universe organization to ease speed that was not accomplished on the ERC mainnet. Also, band convention sent off its band chain public mainnet on Universe biological system to empower cross-chain reconciliations in June 2020. Band convention turned into the first blockchain organization to join the OpenAPI drive, an occasion that plans to foster programming that will associate applications on the blockchain with significant firms like Google, eBay, Microsoft, and IBM in December 2020. In July 2021, Band convention sent off Band Chain v2. This adaptation concedes the clients and information suppliers the opportunity to run hubs themselves as opposed to relying upon agents. Band convention current cost. Band convention is right now worth $1.86 USD. Band has moved 12.35% as of now with an exchanging volume of $39,236,662. Band convention is right now positioned 281 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $65,444,196 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for band convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Band convention value forecast 2022. Band convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The band cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $2.79. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.60 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Band is supposed to have a base worth of $2.23. Band Convention Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Band Convention band cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of band will before long outperform $4.65. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the band's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.72 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.09. Band Convention Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6.51 and band might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.95 and a low of $5.58 in 2024. Band Convention Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that band convention effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, band will be green in 2025. The band is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $8.37, with a base cost of $7.44 and a typical cost of $7.81. Band Convention Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the band cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9.67 by 2026, with a base cost of $9.30 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, band has a greatest value worth of $10.23. Band Convention Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11.53. In the event that band figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $12.09. Neglecting to assemble the help band needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $11.16. Band Convention Value Forecast 2028. While band is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $13.02 and a yearly cost close above $13.95 in 2028. Band Convention Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, band convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $14.88 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $15.81, averaging out at $15.25. Band Convention Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs.